Stand by for action.
That metal gate will go down, and there it falls, and the 40 riders hurtle towards the first corner, and this is where it's make or break. Everybody, I think, safely through. Well, a tremendous charge, the charge of the Light Brigade.
So we're chilling out at the minute, just having a coffee, or coffees. Obviously, oh, that's an outside breakfast. Obviously, because there was an accident in one of the races towards the end of the day yesterday, they didn't get to do the full programme, so there's going to be practice for Sunday only riders who are just riding today first, and then there's going to be 3 races that should have been continued from yesterday's calendar, or programme should I say. Then we'll obviously all get in a sighting lap as well, so probably not having my first race till 11 o'clock, so chilled morning so far. I feel like I need it as well, because pretty tired this morning, and when I first got up I was feeling okay, but kind of feeling it a little bit now, starting to ache a little bit, so let's just have a subdued start to the day. So far though, impressions of the event's been fantastic. I know Darren runs a really perfect meeting, even with his service they run smoothly. I know they had a few issues yesterday, so he wasn't happy, but from a spectator and a rider's point of view, it's been absolutely fantastic so far, and I can't wait to come back for next year's one that they're going to hopefully be doing, because it really is good. And I'll tell you what, with the British Vets Championship we've had this year, and the Vets, some of the Vets Championships, well, the Vets are just there's a fantastic vet scene for racing in the UK at the minute. So if you're a former racer watching this and I'm in an ahhing or doing some, just check some of these big events out if you're a veteran rider, or go out and buy another bike and get back into your racing, because there's a superb vet scene in the UK at the minute. Can't stress that strongly enough. Anyway, so we'll show you a few bits more from today. Yeah, so if you watch my vet vlogs normally, you'll obviously see, especially our Spanish ones, Andrew Shaw, and he's come over to the UK. There he is, down there on a, don't forget you can come and do Moto Spanish tours with us. Andrew, how are you finding the World Vets?
Oh, I'm loving it actually. I was just saying earlier that I'll be so sad when today's over, you know, because honestly since I've been here it's just brilliant, you know, all the people, the atmosphere, obviously your company. No, I'm loving every minute of it.
Brilliant. And tell us a bit how your weekend's gone so far.
Well, basically I've had 2 good starts. We did well on the qualifying. I got, what was it, 38th out of, what was it, 50 something. Then the 2 races that we had, yes, I had good starts. One of them I was first there but stalled it, so I think I had the whole shot. Got a 5th. The second race, again a good start, but I crashed when we entered the woods just before the big jump,
which I'll have on my GoPro.
Cheers, buddy. So I went down there. By the time I picked it up, I was dead last, and again made it back to 5th. But like I say, it's all about the fun. It's all about being here, really. And the weather's been good. Track is awesome. Track is a lot grippier than I thought it would be. I was quite nervous initially, obviously, not been here for a long time. But no, it's brilliant. And again, thanks to Paul for organising the bike, and no, it's just been a perfect event so far.
Yeah, you're welcome. And it's Craig Chamberlain from 772. This is one of his race bikes. And if you fancy a go at motocross as well, you can check out the 772 Kawasaki Experience. We'll post a link down at the bottom of the video, and they do ride experience days. They've got a full fleet of bikes, full training. And if you want to join me and Andy in Spain, check us out on Facebook, and you can drop us an email on info, and you can come and join us and have a great laugh doing daft stuff on dirt bikes. Anyway, we'll keep you posted as the day goes along, because we haven't got long now before our first race on Sunday. Also, I should say, please can you like and subscribe to our video and comment as well, because it helps us with the algorithms and everything, and certainly helps the channel a lot. throttled and fell back. The bottom needs to go forward. I couldn't quite get it, and I've had to really twist my arm round. Second.
You got second?
I nearly had him.
He was so close. I was like, oh my god.
He made a couple of mistakes, and I probably could have, but I'd been on the edge there.
Yeah.
I had him on all the jumps.
I know you did. I know.
I took that one over there.
Time down in the corner against him, I think, because when you were coming up that hill, sometimes you were a bit further behind.
Pulled out the corner.
But coming around here and everything, I was like, Jesus Christ, you're so fucking close.
Second, but I'd have had to have been on the edge to get him. I caught him right up on the last 2 laps, but
for the first, I think, 2 or 3 laps, you weren't that far in front of us. But then I had a guy down the steps on a KTM.
Was it that 164?
I think he might have been.
He beat me yesterday, so I'm way ahead now on points on him then.
Because like you say, he went down, and then bunched up, and that obviously then you I couldn't even see you again.
Yeah, now I heard somebody for a little while, and that was it. I just dropped the hammer and kept it going as smooth as I could. I found some good lines, to be fair. The last lap, I had a right kicker on the uphill double.
All right.
And I come down, had to really panic rev to get the engine to level out. So we did race 2, no, race 3, and first race of today. Didn't get brilliantly out of the gate, about 3rd or 4th coming out the first turn. but we soon moved up, got into second place. Really pushed hard to try and catch down on the leader. I think he had 3 seconds on me. But I always kind of ride within my comfort zone, so I'd have been really pushing it to if I just wanted to get that little extra. And but I'm really happy with my riding today. Now, I've got to admit, I did the British at Luton, and I'm doing this here again this weekend. I certainly miss doing the national tracks. I just don't ride the same on the AMCA club tracks. I don't know why. I ride different type, completely different rider on these tracks, and really enjoy my racing. So I definitely think I'm going to be looking at redoing the service next year for definite. So me and Sam may have to buy a motorhome or caravan so we can do the nationals more.
Absolutely, we're loving the 2-day events. Yeah.
And we're loving the tracks as well.
Well, that's what I mean. We're loving the 2-day events. I'm enjoying it, but you can tell you are as well from your racing.
Yeah, I do. I ride completely different, and it's hard to explain. I'm just more relaxed and sending it big on the jumps, and it's just like, I don't know. And I'm kind of like, oh yeah, that's kind of like how I should be riding. Not like, I don't know, just can't get my head around when I'm doing the club meetings. Ride completely different. Anyway, one more to go. The rider that I've been battling, and then oh, let's go. The rider I've been battling with for second. Oh, a bit of dust as well now. He come off in that one, so I could possibly be tying second overall at the minute. So it is down to the. I'm definitely not going to catch the lead. He's won all 3 races so far, but we could get second overall. So it's going to be we're really going to be pushing for the next one. Well, pushing within my comfort zone, but I'm happy with that. I'm really enjoying it. And been a fantastic meeting so far. And one to go. And the sun is shining. Look at that blue sky for once. Been really bang on so far this weekend.
One pair of pants later.
2 minutes, 3.4 seconds.
How you doing, mate? You right there? Congratulations. Thank you very much for being with me. Give an out, kid. Take care, mate.
You're putting some weight on since she's looking after you.
It's the wind keeps catching and pushing the shirt out.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Yeah, you're on my vlog now as well. You been alright though?
Yes, mate.
Enjoying this scene.
Get on with it!
Number 1, baby. That was a good race. So we not long done the 4th race of the weekend. I knew I was kind of doing pretty well. So going into this final race, it was a little bit nerve-wracking because there was a chance I was going to get 2nd overall. Gated really well, first into the first corner again. I'm gonna have to put his name on the thing later because you'll see that I'm just a bit overrated at the moment. But I could see the KTM and I knew he was going down on the inside, and I could see he was going to start to wipe out, and so I kept the gas on. The Yamaha guy who won the overall came through on the inside, but I knew that he was going to tire, and I knew his lines from the previous race as well. So I hooked up and I was 2nd out of the first turn, and then 3 laps to go, took the lead, and we got 2nd overall. And I think if you can see that, and I'm chuffed with that. The racing has been fantastic, and like I probably said earlier in the vlog, I don't know, I kind of ride better on these type of tracks than I do probably on club tracks. I don't know, so I think definitely looking at a disservice again next year. The British Vets Championship was great. This is going to be running again next year, so we're really pleased. So we're just a bit more training now. We've got California now for the World Vets. That's going to be the end of October, so going to put some work in now for California. I'd like to get top 5 in California, so if I can do that, that is really the cream of the crop in California. So that's the one. Overall this weekend, I know I spoke to Darren this morning that they've had a few teething problems. It's been superb. Track prep's been great. Conditions, the setup, the layout, it's just, I know Chloe's been stressed and everything, but they do a fantastic job. Whole Shot Motocross as well for getting behind this vet scene as well. Brilliant, really good. And everybody I've raced against today, it's been good, hard, fast, clean racing, and brilliant. We've been launching some serious jumps, but it's just like we know we can all trust each other. Been really good, and that's what it's all about. Yay! Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment as well, because that'll like us. And check out mojomotocbd.com for all your racing health benefit products.
But also, if you want to join us in Spain this coming winter, talk to us, and we've got a bit of a deal for you.
Yeah, we've all got some stuff going on in Spain if you've been following our Spanish vlog. So a bit of come along, good times, lots of winter training. We supply the bikes, 450s, 250Fs, and just come along and enjoying the fun.
He'll put some words over it, but look at the Midlands crew with all their trophies. Can we see the trophies, guys? Hello.
Sorry, yeah.
Thank you.